Let's talk digital installation services. Large format digital signage can be time-consuming and stressful, but fear not. We're here to help. Displays2go has partnered with industry-trusted organization Zutek. Here are the simple steps you can expect when you opt into our digital installation services. Step 1. Initial contact. Upon request, you'll receive a phone call within 24 hours from our service partner Zutek. During this call, you will discuss logistics, location, and overall expectations of your installation. Step 2. Your on-site survey. In this second step, a Zutek team member will come to your location and assess the scope of the installation to determine any electrical and/or structural requirements. The on-site survey requires a $295 non-refundable deposit that is directly applied to the cost of your installation. Step 3. Quote and approval. Following your on-site survey, our partners at Zutek will follow up with you within 48 hours to issue a quote for installing your digital unit. Step 4. Purchase and shipment. Next, you'll purchase your digital units from Displays2go if you haven't already, and we'll ship them to your location. Step 5. Installation of your digital unit. From there, Zutek will coordinate and schedule your installation appointment with a professional digital technician. This typically takes an average of 14 days, but can be longer depending on the scale of the project. Step 6. Quality assurance. You can rest assured knowing that your services are not considered completed until you are satisfied with your agreed upon configuration. Shop eligible digital products at Displays2go.com. We look forward to assisting you with the installation of your digital signage.